Hi, this is Misbah, and you are watching Wisdom Dose. Welcome to Element-9, Work Equipment. 1. In this element, we'll look at how to ensure that machinery, tools, and other equipment used in the workplace are safe, suitable, and properly maintained. Unsafe work equipment can cause serious injuries, sometimes life-changing or fatal. We'll cover legal requirements, selection criteria, maintenance, inspection, and guarding. We'll also look at training and supervision, which are just as important as physical safeguards when it comes to keeping people safe. 2. Learning objectives. By the end of this element, you should understand the legal and general safety requirements that apply to work equipment. You'll know how to select equipment that is suitable and safe for the intended task. You'll also learn the importance of maintenance and inspection programs and how guarding and other safeguards prevent injury. Finally, you'll appreciate why training and supervision are critical to safe equipment use. 3. What is work equipment? Work equipment is a broad term. It refers to any machinery, appliance, tool, or installation that is used at work. This includes simple hand tools like hammers and screwdrivers, powered equipment like drills or grinders, mobile work equipment such as forklifts, and large fixed installations like conveyors or production lines. Regardless of size or complexity, all work equipment must be safe for use. 4. Legal requirements and standards. The law in most countries requires that all work equipment is safe and maintained in a safe condition. It must be suitable for the task and environment. For example, electrical equipment should be rated for wet or dusty environments if it's to be used there. Only trained and authorized people should operate equipment, and they must follow the manufacturer's instructions and workplace safety rules. 5. Selecting work equipment. When selecting work equipment, start by looking at the task requirements and potential hazards. Choose equipment that is designed to handle the loads, speeds, and conditions involved. Consider the environment. For example, use explosion-proof equipment in hazardous atmospheres. Always match the complexity of the equipment to the operator's skill level and ensure the necessary training will be provided. 6. Maintenance and inspection. Maintenance is vital for keeping work equipment safe. Planned preventive maintenance involves scheduled servicing and replacement of parts before they fail. Operators should perform pre-use checks to spot obvious faults, such as frayed cables or missing guards. Formal inspections by competent personnel should be carried out at regular intervals, with all findings recorded and acted upon promptly. 7. Guarding and safeguards. Guarding is one of the most important ways to prevent contact with dangerous parts of machinery. Fixed guards are physical barriers that remain in place while the machine is operating. Interlocked guards shut the machine down if opened, preventing access to moving parts. Trip devices like light curtains stop the machine if something enters a danger zone. Emergency stop controls should be easily accessible in case of problems. 8. Training and supervision. Training ensures that operators know how to use equipment safely, follow safe operating procedures, and respond to emergencies. They must be aware of specific hazards such as pinch points or high voltages and how to avoid them. Supervision is essential, especially for new or inexperienced workers, and refresher training helps maintain safety standards over time. 9. Mobile work equipment. Mobile work equipment, such as forklifts, tractors, and site dumpers, brings additional hazards. These include overturning, collisions, and mechanical failures. Controls include ensuring operators are competent and authorized, fitting seatbelts and rollover protection systems, and keeping up with maintenance schedules. 10. Summary and exempt. In summary, all work equipment must be safe, suitable, and properly maintained. Moving parts should be guarded, and access controlled through authorization and training. Supervision reinforces safe practices. In the exam, link your examples directly. For instance, guarding the blade of a circular saw to prevent contact injuries. That's the end of Element 9. In Element 10, we'll turn to fire safety, looking at how fires start, how to prevent them, and how to ensure people can escape safely in an emergency.